Hi folks, I'm Brent Coker and this is episode 11 of my 18 marketing tips in 18 days series, where I choose a marketing tip that's perhaps not so well known but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about building up versus paring down, which is relevant for both offline situations and online situations. This is where you ask your customers to add options to a product or remove options from a product. Kind of like when you give them a pizza and they can add toppings or take toppings off. So we've tested this concept in a variety of different product situations, from holidays to electronic goods and computers, and we found the same result pretty consistently. Check out this example here. Now, for simplicity's sake, we're going to use pizza. And this is based on a real study done by Levin et al. A few years ago. So in the first scenario here, we're giving consumers the option to add toppings to a base pizza. In the second scenario, we're giving them the option to remove options from a fully loaded pizza. Now, what we find is that when we give them these two scenarios, they end up with a more expensive pizza when we give them the fully loaded pizza and ask them to remove options. This is because consumers find it much more difficult to remove options that you give them than it is for them to add options. So the lesson is, if you're offering customized products, to be more profitable, it seems that the way is to give them all the options and then invite them to remove options to their liking. Thanks for watching. This is episode 11 of my 18 marketing tips. I'm Brent Coker. See you next time.